Hello students, welcome to the Prakashan Academy Maharashtra. Today we are learning about for standard first in intelligence subject. The topic name is vocabulary. Okay, now see over here what is classification amongst vocabulary. Okay, see first we will know about the classification and then about the other topics. See, classification means putting things into group. What is meaning of classification? Classification means putting things into group. See, for example, group of fruits, vegetables, animals and birds. See, here what is the meaning? Putting in group. In group. What we are putting in group? That is for fruit, vegetables, vegetables. Vegetables. Okay. And then what? Animal. Animal means what? Yes, prani. And birds. Birds. Okay. See what we are looking now. We are looking the classification. See for next that is into classification vocabulary number figure. See, that is what let's group things. First we will take about group, that is regarding to classification, right? See, the what is the example I have given regarding group. First is fruit, that is what? Apple, banana, mango, right? Or you can say cocoa, nut, watermelon, orange, this kind of fruit. But see, I have written here orange, but see, okay. What should I take for eraser? Eraser. Okay. Cat. Now see, regarding to animals, that is lion, dog, and cat. See, this is the animal. What animal name is lion? Lion. Lion. Then what? Dog. Dog. Cat. Other one is C. Deer. Tiger. Okay. Where did the tiger live? He lives in forest. Lion also where he is living? He is living into forest. Right. Now see other example of animal which we see around, right? What we see around? Dog, cat, right? And we also see a squirrel, right? Other what we see? Mouse, right? Now see, when we visit to a jungle or when we visit to a forest, right? Or when we visit to a zoo, what we see there? We see monkey. Everyone know this animal? Yes, marked. Okay. Now next, what we see around there? Elephant. 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 And what we are having other animal, that is zebra, giraffe. Okay, what we see, that is giraffe. Okay, now see students, we will take the other slide now. See, what is vocabulary? Now see, vocabulary means the word we use in understand. For example, chair, table, book, bag, pen, pencil, right? What is this? For example of vocabulary, right? This is for vocabulary. What we know about this? That is example of chair, table, book, bag. Okay. Now see. Next, common words around us. What are the common words we usually see in our surrounding or our surrounding? Right. What we see, that is pencil, eraser, bottle, shoe, fan. Okay. And what you around you see? A TV, fridge, right? And what you see around yourself? Oven, yes, buildings, right? Everyone knows all these words? Yes. When you visit to the park, what you see there? Bench, seesaw, slide, right? Right? Yes. Now see, next we will talk about, let's learn numbers 1 to 10. See, now what is this? 1, 2. How many? 1 and 2. See, now you count with me. 1, 2. Like this. Again, how many? 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. Means what? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write here 4 again. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now see students, here 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this way. See, the one by one is increase. See, now for 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now this is elephant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now what we learn about numbers, that is from 1 to 10. How many fingers we have? We have 10 fingers. So show me your fingers first this time. Okay, now see, we will count one by one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? Total 10 fingers. Now see, if you want to count fast, you can use your fingers. So what you will do, if I said 2 plus 2, how much? So what you will do, 2 this and 2. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? This way we will calculate. Now see, if I ask you for 3 plus 2, how you will say? Plus 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. How many? 5. This way. Okay, you can practice this. If you want to count more than 10, what you will do? We have these pairs, right? Everyone have? Yes. So we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 13, 14. Again for next hand we have other 14s. Right. This way you can calculate on your fingertips. So this is the easiest way. Okay. Now see students, we counting, we have learned about the counts. Now next, see what is that is multiple choice question. Okay, so what do we use to write? See, I'm writing with this. What I'm using? I'm using pencil. PENCIL. Everyone have the pencil? Yes, very good. So your right answer is pencil. Which item do we wear? What you wear? You wear shirt. Okay. So you will take over here. Fan? No. Book? No. Bag? No. Okay. See. Now next. Where do we sit? Where do we sit? Where you sit? Do you sit on a table, window and door? No. What you use? That is chair. 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 Chair is the right option. What do we drink water from? Glass, bag, pencil, cap. What do you use? That is glass. Everyone know this? Yes, when you are in a home, you drink water from the glass. Which item is found in school bag? See, these options are here also. Okay, so we will take here. The right answer is picked over here. Okay, now see. Learn shapes. Everyone want to know the shapes. See, I am drawing over here. Okay, so you will understand very quickly. Okay, now see over here what I am drawing. I am drawing circle. Okay, circle is round. What does mean? That is simple round. Now see, I will show you how to draw. See. This is circle. Everyone know? Yes, this is circle which is round in shape. What is that is round in shape. Okay. Now next another is square. SQURE. Square. Okay. See, another is triangle. Triangle. Another is rectangle, and this is star. Okay, everyone got this? This is circle, square, triangle, rectangle, star. Okay, see which one is fruit. Now see, we will know the classification MCQ. Now see which one is a fruit. Dog, apple, fan, shirt. Which one is fruit? Apple is a fruit. What do we write with? With pencil. 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 Okay. Now next, what comes after 4? See, we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is that? 4. What is that? What after 4? That is 5. Okay. Now next, which shape has 3 sides? See, which shape have 3 sides? That is 1, 2, 3 sides. That is triangle. Okay. Now see what comes after 6. See, we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and 7. See now over here which number is smallest. See from this list which number is smallest, that is 2. See what comes before 10. See, we will count in our finger. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See which comes, that number is 9. Okay. Now next, what is the number of figures in both hand? How that with both hand? See our both hand, that is 10. One hand we have a 5 fingers. 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, I'm writing over here itself. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. Okay, which number is 11? Even means what? A number starts from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is like 8, 10. That is a what we count, that is here a 4 number. See now, this is for your homework, but still I'm explaining you which is an animal. Car, dog, shirt, pencil. So dog is an animal. Okay, pay attention here now. See for other, which number comes before 7? Before 7, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which number? 6. Very good. So we will take over here 6. Which shape is round? Which shape is round? That is circle. Okay, so we'll pick the circle. Now see. Next, which one is an animal? Apple, dog, ball, table. So dog is an animal. Which is a fruit? Mango, shirt, pen, cat. So mango. Which group contains vegetable? Carrot, tomato, potato. Dog, cat, cow, pencil, eraser, sharpener, apple, banana, orange. This is animal. This is things. Okay. And this is fruit. And this is animal. And this group is of vegetable. Okay. Now see which of this is bird. Tiger, elephant, fish, duck. Which is duck? Very nice. Choose the correct group of animal. Cow, dog, lion, car, bus, bike, fan, AC, cooler, apple, banana, orange. So what is that? Cow, dog, lion. So keep practicing kids, and thank you so much. Okay.